Case 1, Freezer Room, 15 by 11 by 4 meters freezer room for frozen products. We adopt 150mm PIR panel. Having easy assembled and high-quality PIR panel can help customers to save time and labor costs. Roof panels are supported by strong suspension with aluminum beams and screw rods. Floor design is 3 by 50mm XPS panel. Water barrier and vapor barrier are included. On top of that, you need to make one layer of 150 to 200mm concrete floor. Then no problem for any type of forklifts and heavy-duty rack systems. For the door, we choose 2.2 by 2.4 meter sliding door. With technologies are from our German and America partners technologies. Very durable and no leakage problem. The next part is refrigeration system. We are using 2 sets 18 horsepower Bitzer compression refrigeration units. And we add oil separator and accumulator, more safety and efficiency. With this design, you can store all kinds of frozen meat at -15 to -30 Celsius.